Hey, what's going on, guys? Ross here. Now the question is it possible to make $200 to $300 per day for free on ClickBank? And the most common questions are, how do I get started? What kind of website do I need? Do I need a website? What kind of traffic source do I need? How do I smash the like button of this video? So yeah, smash the like button. So in this video, I'm going to throw some light on all of that, and I'm going to show you a very unique and still untapped method to make some free money on ClickBank, and I'm gonna show you an underground traffic source that nobody is using, and it's still a blue ocean. It's pretty cool. So without further ado, let's go and get started. I'm gonna share my screen. I'm sharing my screen already, but I'm gonna shrink myself. I'm gonna put myself right here. So what you need to do this is, of course, you need a ClickBank account. So I'm logged in into one of my ClickBank accounts right here, and the first thing you need to do is find an offer that you want to promote. So go over to the marketplace right here, click that marketplace, and find an offer. Now there are a lot of niches online. You can go with pets, you can go with diet, with health and fitness, with finances. It doesn't matter. You can just click this magnifier glass right here and pick a product. Usually the most trending products and the ones that are hot are sorted here on the first 2 to 3 to even the 5th page. After that, probably the products are not they're still good products, but it's going to be more difficult for you to promote them. So for today's example, I got a product right here, which is a pet product about dogs and how to train dogs. So in the search box, I just typed pets, as you can see, pet, and I found this product right here, which is called Secrets to Dog Training, and then Stop Your Dog's Behavioral Problems. And if I click promote, now I'm gonna get $32 every time somebody purchases from my affiliate link. And when you click this button promote, of course, you're going to generate your affiliate link, and I'm going to click generate. So let me show you the hop link. This is my unique affiliate link. I'm gonna click that. Let's open a new tab. I'm gonna paste it right here. Every time somebody visits this link and purchases the pet product, as you can see, okay, this is the website. Who else wants to know top training secrets that dog experts use daily to ensure that their dogs are always well behaved and listen? So it's a kind of a very nice article, kind of selling. So it's a smooth sale. It's not like a hard sell pitch to, hey, buy this product. Basically, it's like a blog post that explains problems and then provides solutions to these problems. You're going to see in my other videos that I talk about smooth sale pitches and AAP methods. I'm going to list them down in the description. But overall, whenever somebody visits this link and purchases the product, then you're going to get paid. How much was it? $32 right here. Now the question is, that's actually the most asked question: how do you drive traffic to this landing page? Now usually I use a lot of Facebook ads and I drive paid traffic, but I told you today I'm going to show you a very unique and still untapped free traffic source with millions of people ready to buy this product. So go over, open a new tab and type gabgap.com and hit enter. Now folks, this is a brand new social network. As we already know that Facebook and the other social networks are kind of very aggressive on their user base, and a lot of users actually started jumping to alternative social networks. So sign up here, click sign up, this button, and the process is very easy. So when you sign up, you're going to see this form. Just fill out the form and you're going to be ready to go. But let me show you something. If I go to Gap, so this is my account in Gap, and if I click similar web, this is a tool right here, an extension for Google Chrome that checks the traffic to this website. Look at this graphic. We have a rapid growth in the last 2 to 3 months. Actually, in December to January to February, actually January 2021, the traffic has grown with 40 million people. As we can see right here, I don't know if you can see it. Yes. So in August, it has been 4 million people, 4 million, 7 million people. And then in December of last year, 10 million people, and in January 51 million people joined this alternative social network. So the potential is huge. Now the next step after you join, this is a free traffic that you can use, free traffic source. The next step is once you create your account, go over to where it says here on the left side, groups. Click groups, and this is what you're going to see. Right here, the Gap community or the software or the social network will give you some suggestions on groups that you can join. And you can see different niches, different hobbies. So you can join group of science. It has 74,000 people. You have rural life, photography, classic cars, etc. So I've joined a group that is related to pets and to dogs. And this is the one I joined. You see, dogs. 68,000 people have joined this group. And when I open this group, this is how it looks like. Kind of looking like Facebook, but again, it's an alternative social network. It's not that popular. That's why the potential is huge, very huge. And if I scroll down, as you can see, we have again 69,000 people that are interested in dogs. And guess what? We have a product from ClickBank that is about dog training. So we have a perfect match here. But instead of posting our link straight to this group, because this is what we can do, I can just copy my affiliate link. I already copied, and I can just click paste here, and this is my affiliate link, and I can paste my affiliate link. But guess what? Probably I'm gonna get banned, or nobody's going to click my link, because this is basically I'm asking for a sale. And if you see my other videos, I talk about that you should not ever ask people for a sale. You should first provide some value. You should first provide something that people are interested in, and then lastly you ask for a sale. So what I recommend, scroll down to this group with the dogs, let's say, and find what people are posting. Find what people are interested in. So we see this post with kind of nice cool looking dogs. Then we scroll down, we see another post, kind of funny, this one. So basically people are posting images of their dogs, and it looks kind of funny. What we need to do is create a simple landing page for free, and for that purpose I'm going to show you why we need a simple landing page. We're going to outsmart everybody else. So how do you create a simple landing page for free? Using Google. Go to sites.google.com, and of course you've probably seen that I'm using sites.google in my other videos. This is a very beginner friendly. I use other softwares that they're paid softwares that are very more robust and more complicated. So but if you're a newbie, Google Sites is the perfect place to start. So click over to templates, template gallery, and from here scroll down, and you see this template. It says dog walker. Basically they have made a template that is called dog walker, which is kind of funny. So let's click this template. We're going to change it a little bit, so you're going to see what narrative we're going to put. Always keep in mind, this group in gap.com was created for people to have fun, and now we want to make people have fun too. So what we're going to do, we're going to post a link to our landing page on which people were going to have some fun. This is the landing page I just created in Google Sites, in sites.google. Change this title, and I'm going to change this to double click, and I'm going to say, let's say dog moods, something like that, dog moods. And then down here I'm going to say funny dog faces, let's say funny dog faces or something like that. So the main goal here is to make people have fun even outside of this network, because we're going to provide a link to this landing page. When people see this link from this group and they click this link, they should be redirected to a page where they're going to continue to have this fun that they're having on this group, because they're just scrolling this group, they're having fun with these dogs, they feel good. So we have to provide them even more fun. So what we're going to do, go over to this landing page, go over to the right side, right here where it says layouts, and you want to drag this first section over to the canvas that we're going to build this landing page. So click, hold, and drag right here. Then what we need to do is move this text, just grab this text and put it over this image like that. Just drag and drop. This is a drag and drop builder, and move that image to the center somewhere right here. Where is the center? There you go, like that. Perfect. So now we have something nice and cool inside the center of our landing page. What we need to do next is duplicate this section a couple of times, let's say 5, 6, and even 7 times, because what we're going to do, we're going to simulate a social network. Basically, we're going to put funny images and take people from gap.com that are having fun on this network, come to our website, and we have to, like I said, have to keep them having fun. By the end of our landing page, we're going to put a call to action, because like I said, they have to be like, oh, this is funny, and then they have to be like, oh, I need this for my dog. So we're going to change their mindset from having fun to I really need to buy this product for my dog. So here is how it's going to happen. Like I said, don't worry, it's going to come up together in just a couple of seconds. So just duplicate this section a couple of times, and like that. So we have it nice, copied a couple of times right here. What we want to do is now go over to Google, and what we want to do is type here funny dogs and then GIF. So we're going to get a GIF image. So go over to images that is looking funny. For example, let's see this dog right here. Let's see how it looks like. This is a GIF image. It should move, and yes, it moves. Pretty funny dog. So what we want to do is right click and then copy image address, go back to your website, your free website, click this plus sign on this image, and then click select an image, and then go over to by URL right here and paste your URL. So click paste, insert, and then if it looks cropped, because now it looks cropped, just click this full screen or uncrop icon right here. Boom. So this is looking pretty cool already. So next image, we want to put another funny meme. So let's go with this image. Let's see how it looks like. This is with a cat. Oh, look at that. Oh, look at that. That's a fight right there. So let's copy this image, copy image address. Cat and dog are fighting. Okay, so let's go back to our website. Same procedure, plus sign, and upload, select an image, and then by URL. I'm gonna speed up the video to upload more images, and I'm gonna come back in just a second. Alright guys, so this is what we did. This is the landing page that I created. So I added some titles, and I'm gonna show you why I added these titles. This is again a marketing strategy to funnel people down so they desire to buy the product. So once you build this landing page, click publish, and once you click publish, you can get a so-called view published site link. So when you click this link, this is going to be your free website, your free landing page right here. And let me show you how it works. Now, the first thing, people land on this website, they want to have some fun. They see this funny image that says, say cheese, and this dog is smiling. The second image is your dog a ninja? And this is the dog that actually fights with the cat. Pretty good. Then, is your dog smarter than you? This is a dog with like playing some game with a human. Then we ask, is your dog a better swimmer than you are? Another dog that is swimming. And then what we have is your little doggo is cute but still bark uncontrollably. So I have to change the still. I have a misspelled error. But do you see the funnel? I'm basically not just making people have fun, but I'm hiddenly, subconsciously asking them questions. You know, it's like, is your dog a ninja? Is your dog smarter than you? Is your dog a better swimmer than you? Is your dog still cute but it still barks? And then what we need to do, go over to your landing page builder in Google, scroll down to the bottom of your article, and on the right side here where it says button, drag this button below this dog, the last one. And of course you can create your own version. So let me, why I can't drag it, come on. Click, drag. Okay, I have to just click it, I guess. Oh, name. Okay, let's just give it a demo name and then demo link so you can see how it goes. Then this is your button. We want to put it right here below this dog somewhere, just like that. And instead of saying demo, now what we want to do, we're funneling people down, and then we're asking them, hey, your dog is cute but still bark uncontrollably. Let me change the misspelled word right here. Why it doesn't want to change it? L right there. Okay, perfect. And then we're going to provide them with a solution, which is going to be our affiliate link to this article from ClickBank, where it explains how you can train your dog to always behave and always listen to you, and stop barking and stop going somewhere without your permission. So what we need to do, go back to ClickBank. On your offer right here, click again the promote button, generate your hop link, and click again your hop link. Just save, copy your hop link. This is your affiliate link. Go back to your sites.google, and in this button just click the button and change the name to learn how to train your dog. And then I'm going to, and you can say something even stronger than that. You can just go to the website and see like a stronger statement. Who else wants to know top training secrets that dog experts use daily? Oh, okay, that's pretty good. So we can use something like this. I can just copy that. Who else wants to know top training secrets that dog experts use daily? Something like that. Or actually, training secrets that dogs experts use daily. Just copy this. I'm going to copy that. I'm going to go back and I'm going to say learn. Just I want to leave the learn. I want to leave learn, and then I'm going to paste this. Let's say learn training secrets that dog experts use daily to train their dogs, or something like that. And then in here again I have to copy my affiliate link because it's not copied anymore. So I'm going to click copy, go back to my site, and I'm going to insert my link right here, paste, perfect, update, and looking pretty good so far. So of course you have to change the landing page a little bit, change this text and make it looking nice. But overall, let me click publish, and this is kind of the framework. Like I said, this works with any offer, any niche. You have to just kind of make it a little more nicer. I mean, it's looking pretty sleek and good already, but just delete some text, add some text, etc. And by the way, I had to download these images, save them. I had to save them on my computer and re-upload them because they didn't move. But what we did now, let me show you. View published site right here, and basically we're going to copy this link, and I recommend you hook up your own domain name, but you can still use this link. Just copy this link, and I'm gonna show you what to do with it. But basically when people land here, I showed you, this is kind of a funnel without a funnel. We're funneling them down to believe, okay, I'm having fun, my dog is this, my dog is cool, my dog is smart, but hey, my dog still barks. Oh my gosh. And then what they do, they come here to this image with a nice looking dog with like a nice dress that barks, which is pretty funny, by the way. So, and then they can click this link, this button, learn training secrets that dog experts use daily to train their dogs. And when they click this link, guess what? They're going to be redirected to the ClickBank offer. So let me click this link, and now we should be redirected to the actual offer, and boom, there we go, we are redirected. So people can come here, read this article, and if they like it, they can buy the product, and you can get $32 in commissions. So what you do, you go back to your Gap account with the dogs or whatever niche you have picked, and in here, just in the top, you can just say something, hey, is your dog making stupid faces or something like that, or silly faces? Is your dog making silly faces? Something like that. And then I'm gonna paste this link just like here, and I'm gonna click post, and then everybody's going to see this. They're going to think, oh, okay, it's funny, and it is funny. That's why I told you, you have to make it looking funny. And then we take them, we kind of change their mindset from, oh, I'm just having fun here, I'm hanging out, to, oh, I really need this product for my dog. And that's about it. This is how it works. Hit the like button if you see value in this video. Let me know in the comments below if you see value in this video. And other than that, I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.